Today I will show you how to crop images to shapes in Figma. So we will use this image as an example to show you, and now we will take any shape we want. I will use polygon, and now we will put it on this file, let's say about this size, and we will make this image a little bit bigger. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to put this shape inside on top of this image, and let's also make this shape a little bit bigger than it is. Okay, that's good. So now what we need to do is we need to put this image on top of this shape. To do that, we need to right click on image and click bring to front. Now what we need to do is we need to select both of these elements, the image and the shape, and click the right click and click use as mask. Now we have this image cropped to this shape. So now what we can do is we can move this polygon, we can move this shape to any place we want on this image, or we can make it bigger, or we can move this image. We can move this image, and that's it. That's how you crop an image to shape in Figma.